Hi, my name is Ellen and I blog at Confessions of an Overworked Mom. This video has been sponsored and product has been provided. I wanted to share my thoughts with you today on creating a household cleaning schedule. In the past, I've been trying to do it all with lists and post-its, and that's just not working for me. And when I learned about a new ability from the Amazon Echo called Skills Blueprints, I wanted to see if I could create something that would work. If you have an Echo, you're familiar with a skill which lets you talk to your Echo and get responses back. A blueprint is a little bit different because you go to the site and you create your own questions and answers, so you can customize it and have it do what you want. You can do birthday quizzes or welcome house guests or leave lists for the babysitter. But what I did was create a household cleaning schedule for each day of the week, and I'm going to show you what my Monday is like. So, Alexa, how do I clean the house on Monday?
On Monday, you clean the bathroom.
Alexa, what do I clean?
You should clean the tubs and mop the floor.
Alexa, what should I clean?
You should clean the mirror and do laundry.
Alexa, how do I do laundry?
Turn it on. Press cold wash. Add detergent and close. Press start.
Alexa, what else should I do?
Take a break. You deserve it. How about a cup of tea?
Alexa, thank you.
Anytime.
Check out my blog post for all the details on how to get started with blueprints.